Please work. I'm honestly not accepting. Yes, code redeemed. So this is super cool. So hey guys, do you need Xbox Game Pass? Well, I didn't have it for a long time, so today I'm going to show you to get it for free. So this is a new method. It's super cool. So let's get straight into the guide, and I'm going to show you exactly to get it. So the video begins today. So first of all, I want you to go to couponslands.net. So once you're on the website, guys, you can get it. So I want to let you know there is a ton of other stuff on there, so don't get distracted, but you should see it. So let's see if we can find it. So where is it? All right, so you know what, guys? I'm going to tell you. It's on page 2. So as you can see, Xbox Game Pass 12 months. So I'm going to press get code, and then I'm going to press show code, and it's going to generate it. So as you can see, it should be done. There might be a verification thing, but I already did it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So you can see it says verifying coupon, checking eligibility. All right, so let's see if this goes through. All right, so as you can see, it says almost done. All right, so it should say like I'm not a robot, so I just have to go ahead and press that. So let's see if it comes up. All right, so it says verification failed. So I'm going to go ahead and try again. So let's see if it works this time. And as you can see, we've unlocked the code. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in. And we're going to find out if this is real or fake. So let's go ahead and put it in right here, as you guys can see. So I'm going to enter it in. We're going to find out what happens. This is the moment of truth, guys. So let's go ahead and enter it. All right, so let's see if this works or not. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in. So yeah, I'm just going to type this right here, as you guys can see. So we'll just see if it works or not. All right, so honestly, guys, I'm pretty excited. But, I'm not sure if this is going to work or not. So let's see if it goes through or if it's fake. So I'm just going to go ahead and type it in, as you guys can see. All right, so I'm just going to enter this right here. So let's see if it goes through. And yeah, it should be good to go. So let me just type this in right here, as you guys can see. So let's just type that right here. So it should go through. So as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and press next. So it says processing, so let's see if it goes through. All right, so I think it's going to work, guys, so let's find out. So please work. I'm honestly not accepting. Yes, code redeemed. So this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is crazy work. Peace out.